Hello there, welcome to my studio in North Wales. My name's David Walker, I'm a professional artist and I produce online tutorials with Udemy, this being the 27th course, would you believe? And it's the first course in a new collection called Relax with Your HAKE brush. And the idea being is we're going to go right the way to the beginning. We're going to start with 7 colours and the HAKE brush and a piece of watercolour paper. Now that's all we're going to use because the idea is for maybe you've been doing watercolours for a while and you're kind of losing your way a bit, getting a little bit uptight, a bit anxious. Well, these courses will show you how to just use one brush. That stops you messing. If you're only using one brush, you can only do so many things with it. It'll show you how to use 7 colours and how to use the textures like you can see in this picture of Venice that we do in the course that's going along at the side. We concentrate on textures and colour more than anything, and there's no drawing involved. We do it all with the HAKE brush, 7 colours and the HAKE brush, that's all we use. Now you can ask any questions at any time if you get stuck on anything. Just give us a Q&A and I'll get back to you. And you've got this course for life. You know, you can watch it as many times as you want. And use different colours, and the more you do it the more confident you'll become. Yeah, so the idea of this new collection of mine, Relax with your HAKE brush, is to forget making a picture that you can put in a shop window. You might come up with something will probably happen. If you do it often enough you'll definitely come up with a little gem at some time. But if you're a beginner, if it's your first time trying, just then try to enjoy it, and hopefully this will take you on to be more confident with your HAKE brush. And you can try a few of my other courses where we just do a little bit more every time. Okay, so if you fancy learning how to use the HAKE, how to relax, chill out a little bit and probably get a nice result at the end, I'll see you in the first lesson. Alright now, see you soon.